Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. So I'm in a totally different setup. I'm actually upstairs and that is why there's not much lighting. So we have got the sun control sticker all over.
This room is literally like a garbage because it's filled with all of courier boxes, plastic covers, bills and all the unwanted stuff.
If you're following me on Instagram, you would know I've been on a closet clear out big time. There's been tons of clothing that has been laid out and they're all amazing pieces but they just don't have a place to stay.
Eventually, this room has no place to even keep food on.
I had my wardrobe sale, in case if you don't know. During the wardrobe sale, I had actually packed everything inside my trolley. After coming back, it's a huge mess now. I don't know where to keep them all and they're all amazing. So I just cannot just discard it like that because every single clothing is nice.
I know it's a very big mess. The biggest mistake that I did was not cleaning it when the pile was about to begin.
Step 1 for closet cleaning is to start somewhere. I know it is hard. After cleaning the room completely, these are how many random plastic in boxes that had to be discarded out. Oh my god.
I've taken my huge haul. So this is just part of the clothes that I have. So these are all the new stuff.
I managed to sort out all the clothing from my trolley.
Now these two big suitcases or trolley has all the amazing clothing. Everything is really good, everything that I put up for sale, and these are the remaining ones, and I just trying to fold it out and get it someplace because they're all nice clothing. Folding seems to be a fail because it's way more than I thought. It's just impossible to fold everything up and have a place for them. Here comes the hanger and I'm trying to hang all the clothes possible, and this seems to be working out. So do not fold your clothes or roll your clothes, just hang everything up as much as possible. So I'm gonna show a few of my collection. So these are my beautiful tops, t-shirts, shirts, crop tops and all of that possible. So what do you think of my collection? Let me know on the comments below because I'd love to hear from you. After hanging all the clothes up, actually I've run out of hangers and I just don't have anything more left. So these are the pile that I've hanged it up. So I just took up my Ajio courier box which seemed to be in a very good condition, and as you can see these are the cute t-shirts. I tried to fold them all up, roll it into as small pieces possible and started filling up the box. Since I didn't have any storage bin or something, which I will do a part 2 of it after buying all the storage stuff. This is just the temporary one with what I could do.
Guys, I've been doing this work from morning, obviously taking break, and this is such a huge haul. These are amazing clothes. Those are more amazing clothes.
This is actually a very cute floral peplum top with lace. Okay, finally I folded up and rolled everything up and I put them in Ajio and Amazon box, and oh boy, these boxes could fit in a lot, and these are the hanged stuff. Now these are all the 4 big H&M bags that I filled up just for donation, and all of these clothes are still really cute, but you know, I just want to give some for donation. These are amazing t-shirts. The t-shirts look really cute. It has all these graphic prints on it, and these are some salwar type like kurta models. This is again a kurta model. This has all the makeup print, other kind of jeans, a little bit of jeans as well for all those donation things. The 4 bags that I have with me.
I had my wardrobe sale, in case if you don't know.
Follow me on my Instagram, you guys. So this is the Insta story that I posted on the day of my wardrobe sale. So I had 2 days of sale and so many amazing girls came and I just loved interacting with you guys. And these are the stuff that I placed up. This is my first ever sale experience. It was amazing meeting you guys.
Hey guys, what's up? Right now I'm in my wardrobe sale.
That's my happy customer turned to a follower and my YouTube subscriber.
Lots of you guys were happy to shop from my wardrobe and you all loved most of the pieces, and I still have a lot of it. Everything is like brand new. I don't really have place at all, so I just have one cupboard here, the 3-door cupboard, with which I have to fit in every single clothing piece of mine, which is like insane. I'm gonna open the wardrobe. If you can see, don't freak out you guys, I already have everything sorted out here. So these are the ones that didn't actually go up for the wardrobe sale. So I've laid it all on my bed. I have everything laid out on the bed so I can actually arrange them easily. So the categories I've gone with are t-shirts along with some hoodie tops. And these are like more t-shirts. I love this t-shirt. It says welcome to my wardrobe, objective is fun and rules is no rule. And these are again more t-shirts. The best part is everything is in the hanger, so if I'm going to put it up, everything is going to be clean. It took me so many hours to get all of this sorted. This is like a beautiful jacket, so I'm just going to show you some of the pieces over here. If you can see here, it's a very beautiful ruffle jacket that is made of acro wool, so it instantly makes you warm, and especially for your arms. And it has this beautiful ruffle detailing on the arms. Like, this is one of my favorite piece. And here are all the dresses, the more dressier type, the jumpsuits, the dungaree, and all of those things that are hung up here. And here are my winter clothes, a beautiful scarf, the rainbow sweater, crop sweater, jacket, rain jacket, again more cardigan, denim jackets, everything are here. So I have all of it neatly arranged over here. Still have the tags on because almost everything is brand new. Since I'm a YouTuber, I need a lot of clothes for shoots. So as you can see here, they still have the tag inside. So these are all the ones that I actually folded and kept it. So my H&M's jacket, my H&M's t-shirts. Still here, it's all my shorts collection. And these are my pants, my tops, more of dresses. One of it is a sweater. These are all my denim jackets, a red denim jacket, a mustard denim jacket, grey, 2 blues, all of it is there. Here is again some winter clothes, and here are all my spaghetti stuff, like a little bit of crop top, the solid ones that I can wear it for inside. And this is my teddy robe that you all the time see on my Instagram, and this is another banana robe that again you see on my Instagram. So this is a denim jacket along with this scarf. So if you can see here, these are all my bag collection. Bags were hung on these. The stand is custom made by me, but all of this causes a lot of dust, so I decided not to use any more of this and rather get into the wardrobe, and somehow try to fix them all. And here is some of my tops, my faux leather jacket, my other tops, my beautiful scarves, flamingo, cactus, and beautiful makeup printed. Everything is so cute. All my jeans are laid out here. See, I still have some tag again left on this. The current plan is to actually take all of this outside and put it on here and find a place for me to hang everything of here. So I've kept everything in the hanger. Harder than I thought I could actually do. I don't think so I can complete in a day, definitely, but I'm really happy that all of the stuff that I laid out on the bed can actually fit in the hanger. It's amazing, but I still have the most of the folded clothes that I kept here had actually come out, so I need to find a place for that. So let's just get going. I finally managed to hang everything that was on the bed onto the rack of this. Now the problem is I've got all of that in here, and all of the ones that were already into the cupboard out in the bed. I don't know what stupid work I'm doing, but it's definitely not easy than I thought.
I have actually started my second channel, which is an amazing channel that I'm going to make budget fashion for another language as well. So make sure you're checking my second channel out there. I'm going to put my link of my second channel as well on the description down below. So do not forget to check out my second channel and do subscribe there also. And I have my Instagram, everything given down below. Just check out the description. You'll find a lot of amazing gems out there. One of the circle is for this current channel and the other circle is for my second channel. Take a second to hit on those circles. You're going to get instantly subscribed to my channel for free, so that you can get all my videos directly onto your phone for free. Thank you so much for staying around. Bye.